Come test drive the 2016 M3. Taking the already regarded BMW 3 Series, the M version has been taken to new heights. The M letter stands for the company's motorsports performance division and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, heated rear seats, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.